Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Over the past few days, I've discovered how difficult it is to paint a pair of hands. How do you make a man's hand look manly without all the veins and hair? So, originally, I wanted something with loose brush strokes for this, for a more ambiguous look. But I've yet to try that style, so it didn't turn out very well and I decided to add a bit of texture to cover up the imperfections. In real life, I prefer linking arms to holding hands because I have pumped the sweat at the most random and inconvenient moments, like when I'm about to shake hands with a very important clients. So I would keep a mini chalk bag in my handbag. You know the ones that rock climbers use? Yes, I would keep them in my bag for precautionary measures. Personally, I feel handshakes are very important. I sometimes judge people through their handshakes upon the first introduction, especially when interviewing someone. The worst kind of handshakes are the super limp ones. Those handshakes get on my nerves all the time. Body language is a pretty interesting subject to learn, but at times, too much knowledge can overcomplicate things as well. So, for today's piece, isn't exactly a handshake on the business side of things, but a little on the romantic side while keeping it PG friendly. I think there's definitely room for improvement, but it was quite fun to paint. Trying to capture the lighting on the creases of the duvet was definitely tricky, and of course, making the hands look less cartoonish was also a challenging part. I hope you like this painting, hence without further ado, let's begin.
The world was on fire and no one can save me but you. It's strange what desire can make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. And no, I don't wanna fall in love. And no, I don't wanna fall in love with you. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, to make me feel this way. And I don't wanna fall in love. No, don't wanna fall in love with you. And I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. Don't wanna fall in love. I don't want to fall in love. Don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love with you.
World was on fire, no one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. And I never never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you. Oh, with you. The world was on fire, no one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. Like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll tell